you ever looked up at the sky and seen a flock of birds flying in a perfect V formation, heading south for the winter? It's a truly amazing sight, and it makes you wonder, how do they do it? How do these tiny creatures travel thousands of miles, often over vast oceans and unfamiliar landscapes, and arrive at the exact same spot year after year? Well, today, we're diving into the incredible science behind bird migration. First off, why do birds even bother with such a long and dangerous journey? It all comes down to survival. In many parts of the world, winter means freezing temperatures and a severe lack of food, like insects and fruits, so birds migrate to warmer climates where food is plentiful. Think of it as a seasonal vacation to a tropical resort where the buffet is always open. Then, when spring arrives, they fly back north to their breeding grounds, where there's less competition for nesting sites and plenty of food for their new chicks. It's the ultimate balancing act between finding food and finding the perfect place to raise a family. So, how do they know when it's time to go? Birds are incredibly in tune with their environment. Changes in day length are a major trigger. As the days get shorter in the fall, a bird's internal biological clock, or circadian rhythm, sends signals to its body. Hormones kick in, causing them to get restless, a behavior scientists call migratory restlessness. They also start eating a lot more, packing on fat to fuel their long flight. It's like they're carbo-loading for a marathon, sometimes doubling their body weight before they take off. Now, for the million-dollar question. How do they navigate? This is where it gets really fascinating. Birds have a sophisticated built-in GPS system that uses multiple tools. For daytime migrants, the sun is their primary compass. They can tell the direction based on the sun's position in the sky and even compensate for its movement throughout the day by using their internal clock. What about when it's cloudy or dark? For nighttime flyers, the stars are their guide. Young birds learn the star patterns, particularly the North Star, which remains fixed in the sky, and use them to orient themselves. It's like they have a star chart memorized in their brains, but what's truly mind-blowing is their ability to sense Earth's magnetic field. That's right, birds have a magnetic sense, often called magnet. Scientists believe they can actually see the magnetic lines of our planet. A special protein in their eyes reacts to light and the magnetic field, creating a visual pattern that helps them determine north and south. This gives them a reliable compass that works day or night in any weather condition. So they have a sun compass, a star compass, and a magnetic compass. Talk about being well prepared. On top of all that, they also use landmarks on the ground. Experienced birds remember coastlines, mountain ranges, and major rivers to fine-tune their route. They might even use their sense of smell to pick up on familiar scents carried on the wind as they get closer to their destination. It is a combination of all these amazing abilities that allows a tiny warbler to fly from Canada all the way to South America and back again. Bird migration is one of nature's greatest marvels, showcasing incredible feats of endurance, navigation, and instinct. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our world is. The next time you see a flock of birds overhead, take a moment to appreciate the epic journey they're on. It's a story of survival written across the sky. Thanks for watching. If you found this as amazing as I do you want to forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.